Remember how summers as a kid felt endless? But now, years vanish in a blink. Scientists say it's not just nostalgia, your brain is literally compressing time. In this video, we'll explore why time seems to accelerate as we age. We'll dive into neuroscience, psychology, and even physics to uncover why each year feels shorter than the last, and what you can do to slow it down. Our brains measure time by processing change. When we're children, almost everything is new. The first day of school, first friendships, first discoveries. This floods the brain with fresh sensory data. Neuroscientists call these episodic memories. Studies at Duke University show that novelty activates the hippocampus and releases dopamine, which makes time feel longer. As we age, daily life becomes more routine. Our brain starts to compress repeated experiences, leaving fewer memory markers. Days blur together and time seems to speed up. Psychologists have a fascinating rule for this called Janet's Law. Each year becomes a smaller fraction of your total life. To a 10-year-old, 1 year is 10% of their entire existence. To a 50-year-old, it's just 2%. The result? Subjectively, time feels like it's accelerating. Researchers also discovered that our internal clock, governed by neural oscillations, slows down as we age. The brain fires fewer signals per second, so intervals feel shorter. Einstein's theory of relativity reminds us that time isn't absolute. It bends with speed and gravity. While we're not near black holes, our perception of time is just as relative, shaped entirely by how our brain encodes experience. Philosophers have debated for centuries whether time is a real entity or just a mental construct. Modern neuroscience suggests our reality of time is built inside our brains. Here's the good news: you can stretch time again. Studies on mindfulness and novelty show that creating new experiences, learning a skill, traveling, breaking routines, generates more memory anchors, making days feel longer. In other words, to slow down life, live it more consciously. So if time is speeding up, the question is, how will you make it count? What new experiences will you create this year to slow your perception of time? Follow FactZilla for more deep dives into the science of life, the universe, and everything, and start living your minutes with more meaning.